Hey guys, I'm back with another edition of your Monday market update. And before we jump into the first week of February, I just want to report on January as a total for 2021. It's hard to believe that we've already finished 1 month of the year. So looking back at the end of January this year, we had 123 active listings on market, which is down significantly from 2020 when we had 188 homes on market. So quite a bit of drop there. Also this month we had a total of 28 sales, whereas last year in 2020 we had 59 in January. So again, almost half this year versus last year. The good news is sales prices were up, sales prices and list prices. So for the end of January, we had an average list to sale of 171,000 to 170,000 for the sale price, which is fantastic. Last year it was down a bit, 164 to 160 for the sales price. And then days on market is down too, 80 days on market this year versus 102 last year. So overall, as a seller, the numbers are fantastic with your prices and your days on market. Again, it's just that flow in inventory that we're experiencing in 2021. So jumping into the first week of February, we have 58 homes on market in our area. So again, we're continuing to drop. Last week it was 65. And then the average list price is up, which is fantastic, 263,000. And we have 12 new listings on market with 96 pending, which is again fantastic if you're a seller, and the prices are still up. The average list price is $224 to an average sale price of $219. So even higher than last week. The margins are a little bit wider, but with prices going up, who can complain about that, right? Especially in our area. And then days on market was up a bit. It was 80 last week, this week it's 90. So again, those numbers are gonna fluctuate pretty regularly. But overall guys, prices are still rising, pendings are still rising, but inventory is still dropping. Not necessarily bad, because that means, again, as soon as it's listing, it's pending. So still a seller's market. We would love to assist you guys. If you have any questions, it's still a great time to be selling, and we can definitely help you on the buy side too. We can be very strategic in getting you into a home and looking for that right home, because again, we're gonna know what's hitting market before it hits market. So just send us a message or reach out to us. We'd love to help anytime.